ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासे चतुर्विंशतितम अभ्यासे अभ्यासभाग प्राक्टिकल अभ्यासभाग पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 49 अथवा 49 49। बिफोर दैट yesterday I made a mistake. Bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi aichika, I checked again, it is definitely optional only. There are a few places where it is said, so we cannot say that I had said anyway there will be visarga lopa. It is not necessary, that is not the right way to say it. So the best way is to say it is optional if swara is following. If vyanjana is following, it will definitely have lopa. Visarga will go. But if there is swara, whether you put with visarga or without visarga does not really make any difference. Then there was one more. So anyone remembers, for this dvi, tri or ashtan shabdon, there was an extra sutra. Anyone remembers which sutra that was? That was one sutra they didn't give, but
you said yesterday that Dvashtan Sankhyayan
exactly. Dvashtanah Sankhyayan Abahuvrihy Ashityoho. But this one talks only about Dvi and Ashtan, while here they have given Dvi, Tri and Ashtan.
Okay.
So the next sutra 6348, so this was 6347, 6348 is Trestrayah. That also, so with that sutra there is a 3 also will get Akara Adesha. Basically that everything will get this, what they are saying is they will all get Akara Adesha except if Bahuvri is Samasa and Shiti, then there will not be. This is the rule for 2, 3 and 8 ending numbers. So I just wanted to say these two things. Then we can start with Abhyasa 24. Then one more. These sutras are all siblings. We know that because they all work on Visarga. Starting from Stoho, Shunashtuhu, Shtunashtuhu, Visarjaniyasya Sarve. Parantu Sasajushoruhu, Atororaplutada Ashicha, and maybe Bho Bhagavago Apurvasayoshi. They are maybe closer siblings than the others. Maybe the others are cousins and these are all real siblings, because all of them, they all work on Repa, and then Rori Sutra will come later. That also works on Repa, that Ir Karaha. That is the difference. In the Visarga also, that Ir is coming in these sutras. So these two things we can keep in mind. They are all Visarga Sutra, but there is a demarcation within them also. अस्तु, उदाहरणवाक्य प्रथमः. केतुलजी कृपया वदतु संस्कृत टु हिंदी अथवा इंग्लिश.
एताः संख्याः सन्ति. शतं सहस्रं लक्षं प्रयुतं कोटि पद्मं शंखं महाशंखं च. एताः संख्याः सन्ति. यह संख्याएं हैं. सत्यं सर्वे शतं सहस्रं लक्षं सत्यं. शतं सहस्रं शतक हजार
और सब एक ही है.
लाख, प्रयुतम is
10 लाख,
10 लाख, कोटि करोड़,
और
पद्मम is
पद्म,
पद्म,
पद्मिनी।
एक पद्म, एक शंख
और एक
और महाशंख,
सर्वे संख्याः सन्ति।
सारी संख्याएं।
सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्। भवानेव कृपया वदतु, सूर्यो भ्राजते षष्ठ।
सूर्यो भ्राजते, सूर्य चमक रहा है।
हाँ, और अगर हम लिख रहे हैं सूर्यः भ्राजते, ये भी सही होगी या नहीं? ये गलत होगी।
सूर्यः भ्राजते, मुझे सूर्यो भ्राजते। अच्छा, सूर्यो इज सप्तमी एक, नो, सूर्यो इज
It is the same. Suryah has become Suryo through Hashicha Sutra. Visarga will become O, right? We saw in 23rd Abhyasa. Sorry, this was a trick question. But it is the same. Basically, Visarga becomes O when the consonant is following the Hashicha Sutra. Suryo Bhajate. Bhavaneva Kripya Valtu. Panchama मम नेत्रम
मुहुः स्पंदते।
हाँ,
मेरे नेत्र को बार बार
सत्य
स्पंदते, मेरे नेत्र बार बार फड़क रहे हैं।
हाँ, सत्यं, सम्यक् अस्ति, समीचीनम् अस्ति। अस्तु, सुन्दरजी कृपया वदतु, द्वितीय आद्यत्वे यस्य।
आजकल, so these days one who has wealth, his fame spreads.
सत्यं, तस्य कीर्ति प्रथम, यस्य समीपे धनम् अस्ति। हाँ, सत्यं, वन हू हैज वेल्थ, हिज फेम, वेरी नाइस। अपि च अष्टम।
So here, so Ramah asti, so Rama is, Ramah asti, Rama should be, with Lord, so should be. Then Ramah asi, Ramah was. Then Ramah syat, so he should be, Ramah should be. And Bhavishyati, Ramah will be.
Satyam, Lrit. Lat, Lot, Lang, Vidhiling, Lrit. Sarve. This is the same thing as this fourth number, Nietzsche, that subheading number 4. The first point, they have said, Do, Kha, Ko, Lot, Lang or Vidhiling mein badalo. We have done this already. Sundarji, you have already done this. Astu. So, Sumanjay ji, Tritiya.
Tritiya is सेनापति त्वरते। सेनापति शीघ्रता करता है।
सत्यम। चतुर्थ,
दुर्जनः प्रायः शोभते। दुर्जन व्यक्ति प्रायः क्षुब्ध या क्रोधित बोध करता है।
हाँ, प्रायः दुख हो जाता है ना, क्या लिखे हैं? शुद्ध होना। अच्छा, ठीक है। हाँ, ठीक है। आपने क्या बताया? दुख अथवा क्रोधित। सत्यम, upset, satyam.
In English we say upset.
Upset, yeah. So upset can be sad, angry, whatever. So dukkit, krodit, ubhayoho satyam staha. अपि च भवानेव सुमदेजी सप्तम।
एकविंशतिः, 21, द्वाविंशतिः, 22, 23, 33, 44, 44, 55, 55, 66, 67 अथवा 66, 77, 77, 77, 88, 88, 99, 99, 100, तो वा
मनुष्य
अथवा 99 मनुष्य हैं। So you have to do that.
बहु सम्यक्, सुन्दर अस्ति। अस्तु, we don't need to do all the Hindi to Sanskrit today because they are mostly repetitions. But Prathama Ketulji, Prathama.
आजकल धन ही धर्म और सत्य है।
हाँ,
तो आजकल अद्यत्वे।
अच्छा, ख प्रथमा। हाँ हाँ, करो तो। हाँ,
अद्यत्वे धनम् एव धर्मं सत्यं च
सत्यं धनमेव सत्यं धर्मं सत्यं च अस्ति
अस्ति
हाँ you can add asti, it is not necessary, but asti astu क दीर्घ ह्रस्व क प्रथम 21 मनुष्य वो 21 मनुष्य प्रथम सबसे प्रथम
21 मनुष्य
easy
एकविंशति मनुष्याः
सत्यं
31 कन्याः
सत्यं
द्विचत्वारिंशत् पुस्तकानि 50 फलानि
so in the same way
चतुष्षष्टि
पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् पुस्तकानि अच्छा
चतुष्षष्टि
हाँ चतुष्षष्टिः
फलानि
पुष्पाणि अपि च whatever पञ्चसप्ततिः
वस्त्राणि
हाँ षष्टशीतिः
विद्यालयाः 97 पाठशालायाः
सत्यं
च
हाँ it is षडशीतिः I think you said that right correctly it is षडशीतिः and एकत्रिंशत् 31 is हाँ 86 and 31 एकत्रिंशत् बस षडशीतिः 86 ओ विद्यालयः अस्तु बहु सम्यक् समीचीनमस्ति सन्ति करेक्ट सन्ति सत्यम् अस्तु सुन्दरजी भवान् कृपया वदतु तृतीय It's a trick, huh? You have to check. It's a little trick question. Not very tricky, but there is one small trick.
So it will be Dveshatam.
Dveshate, you can say.
Dveshate.
200s, because they have split it, right? They are not saying doso. They are saying 200s. As I do sav, they say.
So, yeah. And it is 3,000.
Huh.
So therefore it is 3,000. So can we say Trayah or yeah?
You will say sahasram is napumsakalinga.
Yeah.
So it will become
So it will be Trini.
हाँ त्रीणि सत्यं त्रीणि सहस्राणि
Yeah, Trini Sahasram.
Tasani because they are given 3 sahasra. They are not given 3,000 with 3 zeros.
Yeah.
So it is Trini Sahasrani
Trini Sahasram.
is the trick.
Then it is Ekam Sahasram.
Instead of that you can just say Sahasram.
Sahasram. Okay.
Sahasram Dasha
Dasha or you have to say Dasham Sahasram.
हाँ अथवा that Ayutam shabda you can use 10,000 Ayutam. So everything else is the same. Laksham, Prayutam, Koti, Dasha Koti, whatever. Arav, Dash Arav, etc. etc. Arvam, right? Arbudam, Dash Arbudam, sorry. Idiot.
You know, the only place I got a billion was in Turkish lira. They gave me a change for a few dollars. They gave a billion lira. So,
Interesting. अस्तु सुन्दरजी भवान् एव कृपया वदतु पञ्चम
okay. So, Ram ki. So, therefore, Ramasya.
हाँ
Ramasya. We look at the word Kiti. So, Ramasya Yasha. So,
हाँ
Ramasya Yasha and
रामस्य कीर्तिः because in Sanskrit it is कीर्तिः
Ramasya Kirtihi Prathute.
सत्यं करेक्ट अस्तु हाँ हाँ Sumanjay ji, you already did the numbers, so no need to do this number again. There is one Dvitiya, but you already did in the first one. परंतु Sumanjay ji कृपया वदतु षष्ठ
खड़कना खड़कना इज पंद ओके हाँ उसकी तस्य नेत्रं शनैः शनैः स्पन्दते
सत्यं सप्तम
सः प्रायेण शोभते
सत्यं प्रायः यू कैन से प्रायः क्योंकि प्रायः इज अव्यय राइट सो प्रायः इज इटसेल्फ इनफ प्रायः क्षोभते that sense also स प्रायः क्षोभते अप्रायेण क्षोभते जैसे in one shloka it comes प्रायेण and definition shloka some prayena something I'm not able to remember that revised definition shlokas list I think there is a prayena anyway.
So this one, if it was saha prayah, hota hai, as against ho jata hai, would that have made a difference? How we would have looked at it?
क्षुब्ध कॉन्टेक्चुअली डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस राइट क्षुब्ध हो रहा है और क्षुब्ध हो जा रहा है मतलब हो जाता है या होता है इट इज़ नॉट इन द सेंस ऑफ बीइंग अपसेट इट डजंट मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस
होता है वो प्राय
अस्तु केतुल जी अष्टम
कृष्ण बार बार शीघ्रता करता है
सत्यम
कृष्ण मुहुः
हाँ मुहुर्मुहुः हाँ मुहुः
कृष्ण मुहुः त्वरते
त्वरते सत्यम एकादश
रमेश है रमेशः अस्ति
चतुर्दश
वह था सः अस्ति
था
ओके सः आसीत्
सत्यम सप्तदश
बालक वहाँ होगा
हाँ
बालक
हाँ तत्र
बालकः तत्र अशिष्यति
भविष्यति
भविष्यति
सत्यं विंशतितम इति 20th
वह यहाँ रहे
हाँ
सः अत्र अस्ति
रहे तो यू कैन यूज लोट और विधिलिंग
वह अशोक सः अत्र अस्तु
अस्तु अस्तु अथवा स्यात् स्यात् सः स्यात् स्यातां स्याः स्यात् स्यातां स्युः स्याः स्यातं स्यात् स्यां स्याय स्यात् ऐसे विधिलिंग व्हाट इज उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन विधिलिंग श्याम श्याम अस्तु सो केतुल जी यू हैव आल्सो डन क को लोट ल विधिलिंग सर्वे अस्तु सुमंजय जी कृपया वदतु नवम नवम बालक घर के ऊपर है अथवा गिरीश सॉरी इफ यू हैव द बुक इट इज गिरीश घर के ऊपर जो भी Do you have the book or the PDF?
I can do from this thing only.
Okay.
You are sharing.
हाँ ठीक है.
बालकः गृहस्य उपरि तिष्ठति अतः ततः पतति
सत्यम् अथवा ततः भ्रंशति एग्जैक्टली बालक गृह से ऊपरी अस्ति यू कैन से क्योंकि है बस उधर बैठ रहा है वैसे नहीं उधर खड़ा हुआ है वैसे नहीं वो तो ऊपर है बस घर के ऊपर है तिष्ठति इज नॉट रॉन्ग ही इज स्टेइंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हाउस दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट इट मेक्स सेंस अस्ति तिष्ठति सत्यं भवानेव सुंदरी जी कृपया वदतु द्वादश
मैं हूँ अहम अस्मि
पंचदश
इज त्वम् आसीः
अपि तु भी त्वमपि
त्वमपि आसि.
सत्यम्. अष्टादश
अष्टादश इस् अष्टादश इस् त्वमपि
हा
तत्र
हा
भविष्यसि.
सत्यम्. अपि च एकविंशति
I'm just trying to remember. Astu stam stantu. That
that madhyama purusha is weird.
Asa, I think. No. Astu stam stantu.
It is a different word. Apavada.
So then we can do bhavan. That's the trick. So bhavan tatra astu athava tishtatu.
Satyam.
But I wanted to use that one.
Edhi. Astu, right? Edhi, right?
Yeah, it's AD.
Astu.
So for Tvam it's AD.
So madhyama purusha ekavachana lot lakara edhi. That weird word is edhi. So tvam tatra edhi. If it were aap, then we can say bhavan. Bhavan tatra astu in that sense. Or vidhiling, I guess, is okay in this context. Tvam tatra syaha. That is also okay. Satya. Sundarji dashama. सूर्य की किरणें चमकती हैं.
सूर्यस्य मरीचिः
भ्राजते. सत्यम. अस्तु. So in this way we have finished this fourth abhyasa ka ko lot lang vidhiling survey we have done in from ga and from ka. So it is okay. The second point, astu, ashuddha to shuddha. Sorry, last one, antima, aham atra syam. Ho hu. ऐसे vidhiling अथवा lot if you want to say asam. Satyam.
Sorry, note it is asani.
Asani. What is asam? Asam is lung.
Asam is
Lung. Asani. Satyam. Aham atra asani. Satyam. अथवा aham atra syam. Ashuddha to shuddha. Aham asit asihi asma. Asma nasti. Aham asam. That is a mistake. They have made lang lakara asma nasti. Asam. Aham asishyami nasti. Bhavishyami. Tvam asa nasti. Tvam edhi. So all these are things that we also got. Bhavishya, asishyami, asa. All these were things that we also said. Astu. Ga को द्विवचन और बहुवचन में बदलना है. तो केतु जी प्रथम कृपया वदतु. विंशति. सः अत्र अस्तु. But this is complicated. 20th I thought, but we can just do in lot lakara, something in lat lakara. 11वें एकादश वह है. रमेश अस्ति. द्विवचन लट लकारे. सः. बहुवचने रमेशः. सत्यं. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु. द्वितीय मैं हूँ. द्वितीय द्विवचन बहुवचन. हाँ. अस्मि. सत्यं. बहु सत्यं. समीचीनम् अस्ति. सुमंजय जी त्रयोदश. तू भी है. द्विवचन बहुवचन.
त्वमपि asi. This is in the ekavachana. Then yuvam api sthaha. Yuyam api stha.
Satyam. Bahu samichanam asti. So you know we are finished very fast today. In 30 minutes we have already come to Vakya Banao. Less than 30 minutes. Ketu ji asti api cha भ्रजिष्यते. एकवाक्येन भ्राजिष्यते. सॉरी. अस्ति अपि च भ्राजिष्यते. सुंदर जी स्मः अपि च नहीं सॉरी. आसीत् अपि च स्यात् एकवाक्ये न एकवाक्ये सुमंजय जी नॉट सिंपल अच्छा अस्तु अपि च स्पंदते स्पंदेत सॉरी अस्तु अपि च
For me.
हाँ
Okay.
so
Have to
हाँ in
start
one
now?
vakya हाँ anybody can start whoever is
Okay.
comfortable in one vakya
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this will be. Spandit. Spandit is. Spandita would be this is what this is
स्पंदेत
okay. But hate no not that way. This will be what lakara I forgot.
Spandeta actually is not the ideal. I think Spandeta will be Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana, right? Vidhiling Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana is Spandeta. So that is not the right word for this because Astu is Ekavachana. We need something Ekavachana. Astu apicha ha tvarate. Astu tvarate. Ekavakyam. Bhavan varato.
Okay. तव ज्ञानलाभस्य गतिः त्वरते शीघ्रमेव तव ज्ञानलाभे सिद्धिरस्तु
बहु सत्यं बहु सम्यक् अस्ति समीचीनं वंडर्फुल अस्तु हाँ यस
So we say asit and syat.
अच्छा आसीतन स्यात् हाँ
Asit and syat. So one is past tense noun. One is should be.
दिदिले
So therefore, Ramah tatra asit and Krishna api tatra syat.
सत्यं बहु सम्यक् अस्तु केतुजी अस्ति एंड समथिंग है अस्ति एंड भ्राजिष्यति हाँ
सः संस्कृतस्य कक्षायाम् अस्ति संस्कृतस्य ज्ञानं भ्राजिष्यति
सत्यं बहु सम्यक् अस्ति और या दिस इज गुड सः अस्ति सः भ्राजिष्यति दैट इज इजी वेरी नाइस देयर आर मेनी वेज फॉर ऑल दीस शब्दास बट दिस इज वेरी गुड संधि करो देयर इज नो ओके वी विल स्टिल डू इट भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य योषि दिस इज द संधि केतुल जी देवाः सन्ति देवाः सन्ति
देवाः सन्ति
सत्यं रामः ऐच्छेत्
रामः इच्छति
no रामः ऐच्छेत् रामः ऐच्छेत्
Oh, you said this one. Okay, I thought somebody इच्छति.
अच्छा
So
अच्छा
Rama इच्छति.
सत्यं ऐच्छत् sorry ऐच्छत् and you said रामः ऐच्छति सत्यं and शिष्या अमी
शिष्याः
Ami.
Ami.
There is no great challenge in this at all.
Yeah.
Where visarga is there, you remove it. Where it is not there, you put it. That is all. So,
Actually, I couldn't understand the word ami. I looked for it. It comes under this dhatu. What is ami?
it will be in as dhatu only. Asmi in that, but it will be a bahuvachana and different lakara. We'll have to see which lakara that is. It's a good question. Ami.
Ami is
Ami.
others.
Others?
Others prathama bahuvachana.
Others? अच्छा अच्छा that is wonderful. Yes. Others prathama bahuvachana. हाँ correct. That is correct. शिष्याः अमीहि They are all Shishya. They are there. I say others. That Shabda. That.
Others.
Wonderful. Thank you.
It's not an Adha.
No, it is others Shabda. Like idam others, right? That
Okay.
in one the definition slokas that right at the end. I think you have reached the end, right? In the end, there is one.
Getting close to it.
Idam api, others api.
But I'm just trying to see, is it in the book any of those, Idam, Adha, that where all the various.
It is there. It is on page number. Right at the end, it will be page 135. Others. Page 135. It is here. Sundar. You see here?
So where did we see Ami?
Here, Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachana Ami. One page 135 on the right side, right at the top. It is on my screen also, if you want to see here.
Sorry, Anuja.
135 at the top, others, Pullinga,
Yes, yeah.
Ami. So Shishyaha, Shishya Shabda is Pullinga, right? Shishyaha Bahuvachana. They are all there. They are all Shishyas.
I couldn't look into the kept looking for it.
Yes. Yeah, it is a little confusing. I was thinking Ami would be some As Dhatu, but thanks to Ketulji, we did not get lost in this mess.
Cracked it.
Satya. Finally, there is nothing more. There is no great challenge in Sandhi Karo, Sandhi Vichhed Karo. We will just do anyway for the sake of the Abhyasa. Sundarji Kripa tu Putraha Ichanti.
So, Putra Ichanti.
Saha Agachat.
Yes. Sa Agachat. Sa Agachat.
Saha Agachat you can just be. It can remain Sa Agachat or Saha Agachat. Both are correct because Swara is following. But there is one point here. Maybe this is a good place. In some sutras, you will find both 2 or 3 sutras working on the same word at the same place also. Like Bho Bhagwa Goa Purvasuyoshi, Hashicha, Atorora Plutada Plute, Engah Padantadati, all of them may work on the same thing. Like for example, when Visarga becomes Avagraha, O and Avagraha, Engah Padantadati is also correct. Atorora Plutada Plute is also correct. Bho Bhagwa is also potentially correct because that Avagraha, maybe that Visarga Lopa is happening. So all sutras you can quote for that one Shabda. This is one trick in these in these related sister kind of sutras. अस्तु सुमञ्जयजी कृपया वदतु शिष्याः वदन्ति
शिष्या वदन्ति
क एष
कः एषः
कः एषः कः एष यू कैन से राइट एषः एषौ एषा आई विल से एष कः एष अस्तु I don't think there is any left in our Adhyasa. But so we have finished today in 35 minutes. Maybe because of some vacation going students, so there are fewer. But still, this page is very easy. This was not challenging much at all. After the 30th Abhyasa, until 30, all these one Gana will happen. So we have finished 4 Ganas. दिवादि गण के विशेषता बताओ. 4th one, sorry 5th one here. दिवादि गण के क्या विशेषता है? यह श्यन प्रत्यय लगता है. दिवादिभ्यः श्यन, that is the sutra. दिवादिभ्यः श्यन, and that श्यन will become what will be shesha is only will be shesha after lopa of ishan in.
So that time we looked at one word divya.
Divyati,
Yeah, so you give some other examples of other words.
This one, right? One thing came here that we changed. Spandeta will not be this lakara. All these examples, are given at the end of the book. For Divyati, Nrityati, they are given for Divadigana. Nritya dhatu, nachne ka, dancing. That is a Divadigana, that is correct. They have also given nash dhatu, nashyati. So this is the way, right? Any dhatu, rupa, where you see that yakara after the purva akshara has broken, then will be divadigana. So div yati. It will not be diva yati. Div yati. Nash yati. Or nrit yati. Like the ya has to come, but you see just before the ya that akshara is broken. Then it will be diva. But if the akshara is not broken, it will not be. Like Kshobha, earlier we had seen one shabda in Bhadigana only, Kopayati or something. There are a few shabdas in Bhadigana at the beginning of the book where Kupyate it should be, but there was one where it became Kodhayati, maybe near that place. There were some shabdas where it becomes ya, and you will feel that the ya is after you. Vayati they are given. Jaise Abhyasa 15. Vedhatu has become Vayati. This is only Bhadigana. This is not, even though yakara is there, it is not divadigana. Yes. So that is it. Vyathayanti. Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Yam hinam vyathayanti ete. That vyathaya. So this will not be divadigana. If it were vyathyanti ete, then it will be divadigana. That is the difference.
This pashyati is bhavadi, right?
Pashyati is bhadi because drish dhatu has become pash. Drishyati, if there was, then it will be divided. But it's not drishyati, it's pashyati. So I will follow the Bhadigana rules. Drakshati is not lat, right? Drakshati is rit lakara, future. So that is okay. You have to see in the lat lakara. In the lat lakara is the year coming after a broken akshara. Then you can figure out if it is divadigana or not. Like for example, when you say bhavishyati, bhavishyati also year is coming after a broken akshara. But bhavishyati is obviously bhudhatu. Bhudhatu itself is bhavishyati. So bhadigana. So that is lit lakara. We have to see only the lat rupas. Okay. Any other questions or we will stop today?
For these specific sutras which govern the properties, as in Dvitva of a Gana or say Ya adding the Gana, those are part of the Dhatu Patha or part of the Mula Ashtadhyayi itself?
Mula. Divadibhyasyan is Sutra number 3169. Dhatu Patha will talk about the Dhatus and their Rupas. It is a good question because they govern the Ganas, but the Gana is part of Ashtadhyayi, the original 4000 sutras. So we take it as the Sutra Patha. Even in Laghu, right? In Laghu also, these things come in the beginning when we talk about each Gana. And Laghu is not necessarily like Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is first primarily worked on the sutras, not on the dhatus. So this is all part of Sutra Patha.
So, and one more question, this is something that I always wanted to know is, suppose somebody studies Ashtadhyayi in the way it was written. I mean, before the Prakriya Granthas, the people must have done that. So, how, does it make sense if somebody just goes and reads the commentary? And have you seen that? I mean, how is it done? I mean, if people do it, then how is it, are they able to do Shabda Siddhi by that route? As in,
I don't know anybody who has studied it that way. The one, whether it is Pushpa Dikshit Mataji's method or whether it is Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi or just Siddhanta Kaumudi, each have their own new kind of system, I don't know if even the ones that are teaching Ashtadhyayi, like this Pushpa Dikshit method, that Mataji teaches Ashtadhyayi, but she doesn't teach in one by so. She will cover all 4000 sutras, but in her own way. So I think others like Mahabhashyakara has studied that. Mahabhashyakara did sutra by sutra because he obviously wrote Bhashya on each. But apart from him, I don't know if anybody. Maybe Katyayani Maharshi because he wrote Vartika on each. Apart from them, I don't know if anyone has done it.
And the vritti that we see, Swamiji sometimes asking, so those vrittis are part of the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi's.
Satyam. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi vritti. If at all, sometimes there will be some sutras which are not covered in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi that you can still chant, for example, and if the vritti is asked, you can give Siddhanta Kaumudi vritti on rare occasions. But yes, if the Laghu has the vritti, that is the vritti that people chant also.
And yeah, one more question. So I see people doing chanting a shloka or something by rotation. So what's that Swamiji does? Because I am new to his live classes. So what's that part?
There is no rule. You can chant what you like.
Oh,
from
okay.
anywhere.
Okay.
Yes. We will ask, generally, if somebody is studying Vyakarana, then he says, do sutra, chant sutra. Because at the beginning of the chanting, he will ask the sutra people to chant sutras. And then he goes to the shlokas. But there are exceptions like Sundarji. I don't know, I'm sure there are other exceptions who study Vyakarana but chant the shloka. But there is no, it is up to you really. Swamiji leaves it up.
Swamiji gives senior citizen discount.
For now. But it's okay, it is a shloka also, like the shlokas that you have been chanting are all Vyakarana related as well. So short quick answer to Sumanjayji's question is there is no such rotation or rule or anything, chant what you like.
Sumanjayji, one approach I have looked at, which I have learned here, is that you might as well memorize shlokas that you will tend to use. So, it is not just a question of memorizing something to say, but if you are going to your college and whatever, and you are going to be teaching there or whatever, if you expect that you will use some of those shlokas, whether it is from Gita, whether it is definitions, whether it is just a sutra like this common sutra that come, whatever you feel, that remembrance of that will be useful to you. It's good to remember those, memorize those.
Yeah, I take up those tasks sometimes. Just to make sure that memory doesn't fade gradually. I do that. So maybe, I will try to memorize a few things.
Yes, it is the same logic for the sutras also, so that we don't forget. Same thing. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutrabhashyakato Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavatyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om.